I'm Randy Flores. This is my Factory 5 1965 Cobra Replica Mark IV model. I was here a couple months ago, well in October, to do the NoFlyZone and had some shaking and shimmies in the beginning. Got the front tires rebalanced, put an Airdam on the front of the car, and did a couple other things, and now it's very stable. I'm not getting any kind of shakes or anything, but the last run something popped and I don't know what it is yet. We'll find out if I go back out again, but now I'm getting a little backfire out of the right bank, so I don't know if I toasted a valve or blew a head gasket. I don't know yet. We'll see.
What was your best run of today?
118. Yeah, so that went pretty well. That was nice. I set the speedometer to check my quarter-mile run, so I'll have to look at that and see what that was. She was running really good this morning, so drove it all the way here from Mesa, about an hour and a half. It was a little chilly this morning.
Okay, an open tab.
But it was nice, yeah. Yeah, so I'm hoping that it will, maybe it's a little hot or some, who knows. I'm hoping we'll just let it sit here and cool a little bit and see what it does on the next run. Probably have to take it easy. I don't want to.
Oh, thanks a lot.
Yeah.